Hi! Welcome back to Glitter.effron. I am Annette if you are new here. So today, I was just about to start getting ready for work. I was checking out my notifications and etc. And I noticed that I've had a spurt of new subscribers in the last week or two. And I've been meaning to post a video to say hi to you guys and thank you so much. So I thought I'd do a little get ready with me and do some chit-chatting and whatnot. Let's get ready. So I'm just going to start by priming my nose face area with some NYX pore filler. So I have no idea where you guys found my channel or anything, but I'm super happy to have you guys. Just a little bit of background on me and my channel. My name is Annette, as we established earlier. Today I'm going light. I'm just using the Maybelline BB cream because my face is angry. I started my channel in June of last year. I went to school for theater and theatrical makeup, and then I went to school again for medical aesthetics, and we also did makeup artistry and skin hair removal, nails, so I'm also a nail tech. I've done a few courses and etc. since I've left school, so I'm constantly upgrading my education. It's a lot of work. So I started out with a blog on WordPress, which is linked down below in the bio description box. Now I'm using the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer in Fair because I'm super fair and pasty and stuff. And I started my blog initially because I moved back home and there are not a lot of good jobs in my field here. So I ended up getting my old job back at a cab company where I worked like when I was in high school and in college before I moved away. If you're interested in non-beauty stuff, I actually have another channel also linked down below where I post stuff related to working at the cab stand and other fun jobs because I worked in several different fields when I was living out of town. I'm gonna set my under eyes a little bit with the Maybelline Fit Me in Fair. Starting the blog and then expanding it into a YouTube channel, what you're watching right now, was kind of my way of being able to continue to do the work that I love to do in my field since I'm unable to actually physically work in my field. I kicked this up and honestly I just have a lot of fun doing it. I'm gonna just for my eyes be playing around with the Bella Pierre, how awkward can I make this? The Bella Pierre Nudes palette, putting it on my face. I've had the channel for almost a year now and I'm just starting to get comfortable in front of the camera. If you go back and watch some of my older stuff, I am awkward as hell. It's really hard to not come off as fake and relatively annoying and confused because you've no idea how the fuck to talk to a camera. I didn't really start to get any sort of flow of new subscribers until I figured out how to chill the fuck out. Like I try to keep it all within my field. That's one of the reasons that I created the second channel because I wanted to be able to put stuff up for my other following with like the cab stuff and whatnot, but my main focus is this channel. So now I'm going into the Maybelline Burgundy Bar, which I have a palette bingo on, by the way, if you haven't seen it. I know this palette isn't out in every country yet, or maybe it is now. It wasn't, so if you haven't seen it and you want to check it out, I'll link that up here. I'm going really basic, by the way, if you haven't noticed. I'm gonna use my Avon True Color Super Extend Mascara in brown because we want natural. So basically, I'm just kind of over here keeping it cool, doing my thing, and hoping you guys are enjoying it in the process. When I do more natural stuff, I don't like to do my bottom lashes. I don't know how many of you out there are the same. I just feel like maybe it's because I'm so blonde, like I'm so fucking pasty, and I got this invisible ginger hair thing going on. Like my bottom lashes are really full So I feel like even when I just put like a natural brown mascara on, then I just feel like it's too much. It's too much. So that's my channel, that's my dealio. I'm going to use an angled brush and this taupe shade in the burgundy palette, one of the only 2 mattes in it. If you are a big matte fan, don't waste your time with this palette because there's only 2. So how are you guys? Who are you guys? How'd you find my channel? Do you yourself have a channel? I am like constantly looking for new people to watch because I feel like I run through my regular subscriptions so fast. I like to watch other beauty channels, big ones, small one. I like video gaming channels. Sometimes I'm really picky with those. And I like funny stuff. Funny stuff? That's a terrible way to try to describe things, but if you've watched any of my videos where I've had to describe things, you'll understand I'm not good at it. Hey, natural eyebrows. For my face, oh my god, if I can open it, ColourPop Clockwork palette, and I'm gonna use both the blush and the highlight. I'm super excited. This is super natural. I wasn't really sure how this was gonna turn out, but I like it. Blend profusely. I don't always like to wear bronzer, so sometimes I like to do what I call super pasty makeup, and I literally just cover my face in blush and highlight and hope it works out for the best. I haven't used a fan brush for highlighting in so long. Oh my god, do people even still do this anymore? The invention of the highlight brush came out, and then all of a sudden people just stopped. Oh my god, can you see that? Oh my god. That's lovely. Hi, I'm Annette. I love highlighter. My cheeks look a little dark on camera, but I assure you in real life they look very natural. What are your favorite highlighters? Because I need more. The time that I was going through makeup school was not a thing. We do highlight as in highlighting and contour, but that was literally right when highlighting and contour became a thing. Like, it hadn't even really grown in popularity. The Kardashians were just figuring it out. So this I actually had to pick up from YouTube. Makeup is an ever-changing thing. Same with nails. Like, you can't be, or hair if you're a hairstylist. It's hard to be a hairstylist or a nail tech or a makeup artist if like you legit cannot, I'm just piling this on, constantly upgrade your education because shit changes. Wow. I'm happy with this. I'm just throwing on a random lip gloss. I don't even know what this is. It smells like cinnamon. Well, I think that's about it. I just realized, okay, I've been testing out the charcoal teeth whitening stuff. It's staining my gums. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for, one, subscribing to my channel. If you're just coming in on this video and have not subscribed yet, feel free to do so. It don't cost you nothing. Give this video a thumbs up if you are new here and looking forward to hanging out. I'll catch you in the comments, and if I don't, I'll see you in the next video.